Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make notifications pop up on Android. Enabling notification pop ups helps you stay alert to events, messages, and other updates from an app. And here are the steps to make notifications pop up on Android. First is to unlock your Android phone, then open the Settings app, tap Apps and Notifications or Apps on some devices, tap See All Apps if needed, choose the app you want notifications from, tap Notifications, toggle Show Notifications to On, then tap Notification Categories or Styles, if available, to customize the types. Now go back and enable the lock screen. If you want them to appear while locked, then enable the Show Badges or Banners for urgent alerts. Ensure Play Sound is turned on for each notification type. On the control panel, check Do Not Disturb as off or configured to allow important notifications. Now exit Settings and test by sending a message or notifications from that app. Tips: some phones require enabling floating notifications and display then floating notifications. Battery optimization may block notifications. Adjust in settings, battery optimization, and don't optimize for important apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.